Panthers show blitz and bring it. And Cousins lost the ball. It's recovered by Carolina, and he's down just shy of the goal line. Wes Horton picked up the loose ball and nearly took it into the end zone.
Play action pass. The Panthers blitzed it, and Vernon Davis struggling in pass protection. Vernon came from across the formation, and Wes Horton compresses the pocket. That ball's out. First down, Carolina.
Grab a fumble.
Tolbert, the fullback, in front of Jonathan Stewart. This time a pass. Tolbert's open in the flat. Extends the ball. Touchdown, Panthers.
Good play selection. Play action pass. Common play in the NFL. You send Olsen to the corner. You slip Mike Tolbert into the flat. And Tolbert has made a lot of plays in goal-to-goal situations in his career. It's what you do. You get a turnover. You cash it in immediately. And Carolina has a chance to go up 11.